All right, lesson 8.2, converting metric units of liquid volume. So your I can statement is going to be, guess what? I can convert metric units of liquid volume. Get that written down, pause if you need to. The great thing about your lesson today is you're not really learning anything brand new. This is done the same way that we converted units yesterday. The only thing that I want you to understand is what liquid volume really is, and it's the measure of the amount of space that a liquid occupies. So yesterday we were measuring length, today we're measuring liquid volume, and here's an example. This is a liter of Coke. So the amount of space that that Coke is taking up in the bottle equals 1 liter. And this one equals 2 liters. So instead of using meters, we are measuring today with liters. And this should look very familiar to you because we're still using the same prefixes, the kilo and the hecto, the deca. Our unit has changed because now we're going from length to volume, but we still have deci, centi, and milli. Okay, so unit of volume is liters. The prefixes have stayed the same as what we worked with yesterday. Okay, so we can still use the same anagram. King Henry died unexpectedly. This time we're using liters. Drinking chocolate milk. Same thing you have in your notebook. Okay. There it is. King Henry died unexpectedly drinking chocolate milk. Okay, these are the same steps that you copied in your math notebook. It's just that instead of meters, these words now end with liter because, again, we're measuring something different. We're measuring liquid volume and not length. So we've changed from meter to liter. I do want you to notice that the abbreviation for liter is a capital L. So that's why in the abbreviations you see that capital L. All right, again, the kilo is the largest, the milli is the smallest. So let's try a conversion. This is done exactly the same way. So we're going to start with 3 72/100 liters, and we're going to convert that to milliliters. These are very small. It's going to take a lot of them. So we're going to be multiplying by 10 as we go. So we're starting with liters times 10 times 10 times 10. So ultimately we're multiplying our original number by 1,000. So the decimal moves 1 place to the right, 2 places to the right, and finally 3 places to the right. It started here and it moved 3 places to the right because we multiplied by 10 3 times. We took 3 steps to the right. So it takes a lot of milliliters to make up 1 liter. Let's try another one. This time we're going to start at liters, 341 liters, and we're going to go up to kiloliters. So this time we're going to be dividing by 10 each time. So our decimal is going to be moving 1 place to the left. Then it's going to move 2 places to the left. There we are. And finally, as we divide by 10 one more time, it's going to ultimately be moved 3 places to the left. So we started out with 341. That decimal is right here. And we went up 1, 2, 3 steps, 1, 2, 3 places to the left. Our decimal moved because we were dividing by 10 each step of the way. All right, so here are your practice problems. You're going to be starting out at liters and going to milliliters. So you'll be going down. It's going to take a lot of these. Our decimal is going to be moving to the right each jump you take. Then again, look at this one. We're starting up here at kiloliters going down 2 liters. So again, that decimal is going to be moving to the right. So both of these decimals are moving the same direction because our number is getting, we need to be multiplying by 10 each time because it's going to be taking a lot more of these smaller units to make up the unit that we're starting with. All right, I will see you soon.